Assalamu alaikum. How are you everyone? Welcome back with Mr. Muad JB. أحبائي طلاب grade 4. اليوم I will discuss with you lesson 1-3 compare whole numbers. Our objective today will be use place value to compare multi-digit numbers. Of course, I will explain the lesson through 1 or 2 or 3 examples. That's it. I will not take too much time. I will focus on the main concepts of the lesson. Of course, the lesson depends on the place value chart to compare whole numbers. Here we start. Of course, the symbol, this symbol means is greater than, and this symbol means is less than. If it's open to the left, we can say greater than, أكبر من. If it's open to the right, it means less than. So when it's open to the left, this means the number on the left is greater than from the number on the right. If it's open to the right, this means the number on the left is less than the number on the right. How I compare between two numbers? I will give you 3 steps. Write the numbers, lining up places, begin at the left and compare. Now I am comparing 6,356 and 6,378. Now look what I mean by line up the places. I write the numbers down to each other, but I line up the place values, the ones down to the ones, and the hundreds down to the hundreds, thousands, tens down to the tens, hundreds down to the hundreds, and so on. The thousand digits is the same in both numbers. I start comparing from the left. I wrote the numbers, I line up the places. Now I start comparing from the left. Here, in this example, as you can see, the thousands are the same. So I go right, I go to the next digit. Look at the next digit, compare the hundreds. What are the hundreds? Here 3 and here 3. So they still the same. The 100 digits is also the same in both numbers. Now I go the next digit. The first place where the digits are different is the tens place. Now I have to compare the tens because they start to be different. In the first number, here we have 5. In the second number, we have 7. So this number is greater than this number. So 6,356 is less than 6,378. So we can't say this number is less than this number because they are different at the tens. Now I will show you some more examples. Here we have these two numbers. I start comparing from the left. And the thousands, here 2 and here 2. And the hundreds, 6, 6. So they're still the same. They are not different. And the tens, 4 and 4. So they still the same. Now in the ones, 3, 3. So they are equal because he told me complete by writing greater than, equal, or less than. So they are equal. They are equal. And number 4, this 5 digits and this 5 digits. So they have the same number of digits. So I start comparing from the left. 6, 6 in the 10,000s. And the thousands, 2, 4. So in number 4, when I start comparing, the 10,000 is the same because I start comparing from the left. Before I start comparing from the left, I need to look at the number of digits. What I mean by this, here we have 5 digits. and here we have 5 digits. So we start comparing from the left. 6, 6. In the thousands place, here we have 2, but here we have 4. So they are different. I complete or continue comparing until they are different. Here they are different. Here 2 and here 4. So 4 is greater than 2, or 4,000 is greater than 2,000. So this number on the right is greater than number on the left. So I put like this. I read it as 62,519 is less than 64,582. And the next example, here how many digits we have? 6, and here 6 digits. So I start comparing from the left. Here the first one is 2 and the first digit is 1. So 2 is greater than 1. So I stop. I no need to continue. I don't need to continue. So this number is greater than this number because 2 is greater than 1. Let me go to number 7. And number 7, look, no need to compare because here in this number we have 4 digits. And in this number we have 5 digits. Of course, the one with more digits is greater than the one with less digits. So this number is greater than, so 19,219 is greater than 1,921. That by this we can compare whole numbers or multi-digit whole numbers. Thank you very much. If you like the video اضغط زر اللايك ولا تنسوا الاشتراك بالقناة وتفعيل جرس التنبيهات عشان يوصلكم كل جديد. Welcome with Mr. معاذ الجباوي, معاذ JB, and القادم أحلى بإذن الله.